A lot of humidity leads to problems. This is what can happen. Your windows will end up being all covered in mold and mildew, and you don't want that. So first, always make sure there's proper air circulation. Always make sure to turn on fans and make sure the fans are actually clean. If they're covered in dust, they're not going to work as well as they should. Peppermint in a diffuser can help prevent mold and mildew. So preventing mold and mildew is always best. But if it's already too late, here is how to clean it. Two of my favorite cleaning products to use to get rid of mold and mildew are hydrogen peroxide and mold control. It's important to note you can't use both those chemicals together. Use them separately. Pick which one you want. Now pre-spray everything, and of course, before you start agitating, if there's a lot of heavy debris, always start vacuuming first. Makes your life a lot easier. But make sure the chemical gets everywhere. Then take a putty knife or something like this to shimmy into all the hard to reach places, and that is all. Buff it out, and you're done.